Let's plot the sine of x, which x is 0 up to 2 pi, and the distance of elements between is pi divided by 100. Okay, use the function plot x against y. Okay, we press run. It wants to save. I call it sine plot. We wait, and now it is. It's the sine wave between 2 pi and the distance between is pi divided by 100. Let's add some elements. We can use X label. Everything inside these codes is called a string. Okay, X 0 to 2 pi. Okay, Y label Y equals sine of X. Okay, semicolon. Title which is plot of sine of X. Okay, even we can write the legend. Legend sine of X. X. Okay. We press the run button again. We wait. Here's the figure. This is the X label, the Y label, the title, and this is the legend. Okay. If we wanted, we could plot some functions on each other. For example, we have y2, which is cosine of x. It's semicolon. We have y3, which is sine of x plus cosine of x. It's okay. And here we could use this. This dash means a solid line for y. We want to plot x against y2, and the style is dotted. Okay. We want to plot x against y3, and the style is, for example, let's say star. which is star, Okay, let's plot. Okay, in the we must comment this. The X label is correct, but the Y label has changed. It is not the sign. It is the sine, cosine, and sine plus cosine. I comment this part. The title should be changed. Let's say sine of x and cosine of x and sine of x plus cosine of x. This is the title and legend. Legend has changed too. We say the first one we plot was sine of x. The second one is cosine of x. Let's say cosine of x, and the last one is sine of x plus cosine of x. Okay, I think it's enough. Let's press run button. We wait. Here's the plot. The sine of x is in blue and it is a solid line. The cosine of x, as we said, is dotted, which is this one. The sine of x plus cosine of x is starred, which is this one. Okay.